Here are my pliers. Got some Mako long ones, long needle nose and different angles. These are Mac. Bought these sets a while ago. It's a whole set. Just got these warranted the other day. Screwdrivers. It's that clamp tool for Chevys. I have those clamp style clamps. It's a very good tool. Not the best, but it does the job. Bought these at Sears. Supposedly some hose clamps. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't for me. Not sure if I'm not using them right. Little pick. Little Torque screwdrivers from Craftsman. Universal screwdriver with a whole bunch of bits. These are the type of tools that I keep in my box, so when people are like, yo, can I borrow something? I'm like, yeah. You can borrow those. Scrapers. Picks, shorts and long. Tire tool removal, valve core. Bought this the other day. It's a magnetizer, demagnetizer for screwdrivers. Magnetize them, demagnetize them if you need them or you don't want them to be magnetized. Got the long set of screwdrivers. Mid-length, shorts. Lost two of my shorties, so I don't have a full set of the shorties anymore. General service drawer. Pry bars. Pull sealant. Some oil filter wrenches, pliers, tools for the Toyota. Use some fuel line disconnectors. They work on AC sometimes. Hood prop tool. If it's not working, put that on. Harbor Freight. Temperature tester. No breaker bar. All right, I need to use that shit. Don't use it too much. Big ass pliers. Always need those big ass pliers. Some vice grips. Always need some vice grips. Impact driver. Need that shit. All right. So there's a combination of things in here. Don't do too much diagnostics, so I got a little Craftsman voltmeter here. Air gun. Micrometer. Sorry. This is my big ass 1/2 inch big boy. He'll break anything loose. Pull that bitch out when you mean business. Got this fetish with green. So I bought this handle the other day that I gotta put on. It's that big ass motherfucker. Change it from red to green. Suction cup, suction tool. Sucking up fluids, putting in fluids. Hammers. I got batteries in there. take all the batteries out of my shit so they don't explode in there and corrode. But this is a dye UV light. Some that blows. This is that big boy Mac Tool anti-vibe. I think it's a 48 pounder, I think it's called, or something like that. This thing's for breaking ball joints loose. Got any issues with ball joints? Break them bitches loose. Some dead blows. Cordless. Quarter. 3/8. Snap-on. 3/8. Air ratchets. My impact gun. Big boy. Had that bitch for a while. One of my favorites. Jump pack. Some gloves. Microflex Midnights, my favorite. That's that fan clutch service toolkit. Battery removal tool. Blue Point torque sticks. Pulley remover installer set. Oil filter tool set. Got these from Craftsman the other day. It's removing stripped out tools. Got drill bits here, drill bits under there. Special tool remover, transmission, oil filter cup tools that are really convenient. A 1/4" Makita drill. Big boy Macro Impact hammer, air hammer. It's a big boy, serious. These are those Kevlar heat protectors, sleeves. These are my hammer adapter tools. I got the trim set right there from Matco. Those are really handy. It's kind of my work drawers where I keep my ROs and shit like that, repair orders. My adjustables, crescent wrenches, bike tools from a bike. Got this the other day. Big boy 3/8. Three-eighths. The quarter, long quarter, you need that. A little shorty with the flex head. Not a big fan of flex heads. Shorty. Another trim tool. Snap-on. Some hose pinchers, hose pinchers, cut-off pinchers. A little light from Matco. Couple trim tools. It's like the master trim tool right here. Thing is so pimp. Couple snap-ons. couple alignment tools. That's what I specialize in. These are the clamps for the doing tie rod boots and stuff like that. You want to clamp them. CV joints. Big old pipe wrench alignment tools. These are some Magco wire strippers. Some trim tools. My 1/2 inch. 3/8 torque. 1/2 inch torque. Alright, so I got it's my tie rod tool kit. Take off tie rods. Bought this from ATD the other day. It's like a master set for hex. This is my airlift. This is the Magco tool for oil filter caps and all that. Axle nut, socket set. Ear and eye protection. My big old 3/8. I mean that's my 1/2 inch Snapon cordless. Window tools to hold windows up. My torque master set. Oops. Picks from Harbor Freight. Garbage. Highly suggest spending money on these things because they're very cheap. Get some good picks. I mean, gotta get some good chisels and punches and stuff like that. Those are cheap. That's my little baby girl. Motivation. So that's it, guys. It's my toolbox. Hope you liked the review. Leave some comments. Subscribe. Peace.